Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can equip a pet in Among Us. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here online, and you're gonna see like the create game here, or like join a game, it doesn't matter. And here you're gonna see the computer. What you want to do is when you're on the computer, click on it, and then you're gonna see pet here, and you can simply choose a pet, which one you want to choose. It's like really simple and really easy. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is pretty much how you do it. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.